Animals and food. Animals are part of our environment. They require food to live. Different animals have different techniques of finding food. Let's learn about them. Tigers hunt. Tigers are the fastest running animals. They can perfectly judge the distance of prey with their vision. When a tiger perfectly judges the distance, only then it charges for the chase. These features make tigers the perfect predators. They are capable of killing any animal except elephant and rhinoceros. Tigers are not always successful in their chase. They are successful only once in 10 chases. Eagles catch. Eagles belong to a group of birds that include vultures, hawks, kites, and buzzards. They fly very high in the air. They use their powerful vision to see their prey on ground or in water. They catch their prey with the strong claws. They are even capable of snatching prey from other birds. After catching the prey, they take it to a place that is high enough so that other animals cannot reach there. Their nests are also located at higher elevations to make them inaccessible for other animals. Dog smell. A dog has a strong sense of smell that helps it to locate food. It likes to chew the bone. It can find its food even if it is buried in the ground. The dog is also used by police because of its strong sense of smell. Police dog is trained to smell and detect the explosives, dead bodies, drugs, etc. Bats detect. Bats are the only mammals that are capable of flying. They are very environment friendly. They help in the pollination of plants. Their droppings make nitrogen-rich fertilizers known as guano. Bats are nocturnal animals. They are natural enemies of night-flying insects and pests. At night, they make a sound that guides them to fly and detect their prey. In twilight, their vision becomes very strong. Ants detect. Ants have a pair of antennas fixed at their heads. The antennas have sense of smell, taste, and touch. Ants can smell the odor of food in the air. They also tap their antennas on the ground to locate the food. The ants' legs are combed, and they use them to clean the antennas. When an ant finds a huge store of food, it quickly communicates to other ants. A large number of ants gather near the food in a short time. Anteater locates. An anteater is an insect-eating animal. It locates the mounds of termite, then it slides down its 2 feet long sticky tongue to collect and eat the insects. In 1 minute, it can put its tongue in the mound for 160 times. Anteater normally eats 35,000 insects in a day. It never cleans the entire mound and leaves behind some of them. It ensures future supply of food. Fish detects. Fish is an aquatic animal. Different types of fish have different skills to catch their prey. Aquatic animals generate pressure waves in water while swimming. Fish can detect these pressure waves to catch their prey. Fish has an organ called lateral line, which is used to detect the distance of other fish or prey. The shark has a strong sense of smell that helps it to detect the odor of its prey even from a distance of several hundred meters. In low light, they can see better. Anglerfish have appendages used to lure other fish. Some animals live in greater depths where sunlight cannot reach. In this dark area, fish hunt prey with echolocation or sound. Feeding habits of animals differ because of their different skills. A pit viper has pits on its head which are sensitive to heat. These pits can detect the heat generated by other animals. An elephant uses its long trunk to break the branches or twigs of a tree and put them in its mouth. A camel can live without water for several days because of its ability to store sufficient amount of water in its body. Birds make use of their beaks and claws to catch and eat their food. A giraffe uses its long neck and tongue to pluck the plant material.